Hey everyone, welcome to ExcelBites tutorial number 2. In my previous video, I showed you how to use sum and average function, which was adding of two numbers. If you haven't seen my first video, go check the link in the description below. And today's video is about how to add two characters or two cells which are having characters in it. So let's start. So today we'll be using concatenate function. So you can see the tutorial number 2. This is about concatenate. So I'm using the same Excel sheet which I used the last time. So this is the name of, these are the names of 7 students in the order of the rank. And so this column D has a first name and column E has their last names in it. And what we want is that their full name should come up in this cell, which is L5, which is this cell, the highlighted one. I'll show you. Yes, this one, the blue one, L5. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna just start off with the function first. So I'll explain you how this concatenate function works. So the function name is concatenate, and you can just add two cells which are having characters in it. So the end result should look like Howard Clark space Clark. Okay, so this should be my end result. So I want the entire name Howard Clark to come up in one cell. How do we do that? So we'll write concatenate. So as you can see, Excel gives you a suggested list of the functions. So you can just choose. When you get to the concatenate function, you can just press tab and it will automatically write the entire formula for you. And you can see the syntax for concatenate function is text1 comma text2 comma and so on. So what is the first text what we want to add? So this is the first text, D5 comma, the second text is Clark, and we'll close the bracket. So this is Howard Clark. But as you can see, if we go on and paste the formula for the rest of the cells, it's gonna give you the result as this. But we can see that there's no space in between Howard and Clark. We want a space between Howard and Clark. So we just delete this. We'll again use concatenate function. Press tab. The text one is Howard. We'll press comma. The second text what we want to add in between Howard and Clark is a space. So as you know, Excel takes a space as a character, so we have to hard code it. So we have to put parentheses, space, and double quotes again to close that thing, comma, the third element or the third text what we want to add. So in this way, concatenate D5 will give you Howard. The space, there would be a space in between because of this what we have added in double quotes, then E5, which would be Clark. So just close the parentheses and hit enter. You can see the end result now coming up as Howard Clark having a space in between, right? Now I'm gonna also explain you how to just change the entire text into upper or lower case. So it's very simple. As you can see, Howard Clark is written in it, and the character H, the alphabet H in Howard is capital, and the rest all are in small letters. In Clark, the alphabet C is in capital, but rest all the alphabets are in small letter. What we want to do is that we want to have each and every alphabet either in uppercase or in lowercase. So it's very simple. We write equals to upper. The function used is upper. So upper. Tab, parenthesis open, and whatever text we want to change. For example, this cell we want to change it into upper text. So we'll select L5, we'll close the parenthesis, and there you go. So we'll have Howard Clark, the entire name in full capital letters. If we double click this, the right corner right arrow will give you, it will drag the formula down, and this will be the result. Similarly, if we want to have all the characters in the lower case, we'll just type lower, we'll open the bracket, we'll select the cell, close of the parentheses, and Harvard Clark. Right? So you can see it's very easy. Yeah. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys.